What's up guys, C2113 here, and a little bit of a different video. Today we're going to be unboxing a live vanilla orchid plant. Alrighty guys, so this is the package, and in here is a live vanilla orchid plant. Now the shipping took a little longer than I thought, but I have purchased before from this online nursery a 9 green box. So I will leave the link for this in the description. Again, they're not paying me or anything. I'm just a plant guy, and I know that my channel has taken more of a direction towards tech, cars, and automotive, and tools, and that sort of thing. I mean, after all, it is in my tagline, but I do still enjoy plants. So I thought I'd show this to you. Again, something that I bought because I like vanilla, and as much as I know that it's going to take years and a lot of work to get a single bean pod out of this plant, for nothing else than pure cool novelty, I decided to get one of these, and the price seemed right. So let's get into it. So it took about 5 days, maybe 6 days, you know, and it's not a prime product, so it's not going to be like 2-day shipping on this. But hopefully it's well packaged and hopefully it survived the heat. Now obviously vanilla orchid is a tropical plant, so probably wouldn't mind the heat, but I hope it didn't dry out. Okay. Alright, so here it is. Pretty well packaged. It hasn't broken in any way. I would have liked to see a little bit more support of the stem, but it kind of did tip over. But overall, very nice packaging there. Just my information on here. But this is the vanilla orchid in the 3-inch pot. So let's take a look at the plant. So the vanilla orchid can actually grow much longer, and it's an interesting plant because it can either require a soil base or it can sort of absorb moisture and nutrients from the air, provided you mist it occasionally with nutrients, and then also keep it in a very humid environment. But it can grow in a soil base. It can also grow in clay pebbles. It can also grow in vermiculite, and I think it can grow in peat moss as well. I mean, it's not a difficult plant to grow, but I think in order to get it to actually produce anything, that's where the difficulty comes from. So, you know, there it is. It's well packaged. If we remove here, it's just in basic potting soil. I'd probably change this out. You know, I'd probably put some, I don't know, some more breathable material in there. I don't want to necessarily hold too much moisture on the base of the plant, just because, again, from what I understand, orchids in general, you know, you can get a very quick and fatal basal crown rot right around where the stem is. Now, obviously, this isn't like a conventional Phalaenopsis orchid that has sort of a single base, and then just the leaves proliferate from there. But nonetheless, it is still an orchid. So let's peel this back here, just take a look, make sure everything's okay. It's well packaged. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description, guys. I know this is not a standard video. I will be returning to the standard content soon, but I just thought you'd want to see this, and I figured I'd open it up on camera. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, anything else, any tips on orchid growing, vanilla orchid specifically, leave them below in the comments. And if you want to see more, get subscribed.